This is a quick look at our current garden. This is the Swiss chard. Now we are not eating this at present because we had to move all of the vegetables from the left side of the garden bed to make room for the tomatoes and the basil that our refrigerator is full of leafy greens that we've been eating the last week, primarily for breakfast and dinner. This bed is the sugar snaps, and they're coming up nicely. I'll add a support frame so that they can climb on, but this is looking good. Excited about that. And here's our this bed has spinach, mixed greens, spinach, mixed lettuce, as well as some bok choy. So even though we've been eating a lot of the greens that are in our refrigerator that we harvested from the left side of the greenhouse, I am harvesting some bok choy to put in some stir fry that we are using, that we'll be eating tonight. So organic bok choy is rather expensive, especially for the amount that you get. So this is an example of, me saving money but not having to buy bok choy. Now, I'm not pulling the whole plant out. I'm just picking some of the mature leaves, and this will continue to grow. So this particular variety appears to be slower to bolt than the green that we're growing, the green variety. So, and then I also have some more planted, so we'll have another batch coming up out of these areas that appear to be bald. There's some more spinach and bok choy that has been planted, as well as some lettuce in these spots. So as we're picking through these, the recently planted seeds will be coming up. So I just wanted to show you that. And here's what I picked so far. So I'm going to get about twice as much as this, and I'm just going to throw it in some stir fry. So here's the bok choy, and I also pulled some parsley to garnish the dish. This is a Thai-influenced stir-fry topped with baked chicken that was marinated and cooked in the same sauce used to flavor the lo mein and vegetables. We could eat like this even if we were snowed in for a couple of weeks. All because we have a garden, chickens, and a food pantry. I hope that this video influences you to do the same. Thanks for watching.